Right, this is a short video just to give you an example of security permissions on files and folders for Microsoft Windows 2008 and above. I'm going to use the following path to make the example. So if we use server, let's say company docs, customers, ABC Limited, invoices. Now let's assume that everybody has to have access to the server. Obviously everybody has to have access to company documents. Only the sales team can have access to customers, and in the sales team all the sales people need access to ABC Limited, but only the manager, the sales manager, needs access to invoices. Microsoft Windows works on a top-down basis, so what we have to do is we have to set the privileges and permissions for each folder and let them flow down. Instructions on how to actually set the permissions can be found online. This is just an overview of how it actually works. So if we imagine that we have several layers: server, company, docs, customers, ABC Limited, and invoices. We would give everybody permission to see all of these folders first. That would be step one. Step two would be to go to the customers folder and just give sales then permission to access everything below customers. That then blocks out the everyone and just allows sales. Then we would go to the invoices and just give the sales manager access to the invoices folder. So that then would block out sales from that folder. That's roughly how it works, but there is an exception where within Microsoft Windows Server 2008 and above, well, any versions of the Windows Server, but the 2008 is the one we're talking about, you can actually drill straight through all of these layers with a share. So if you go to the shares, and you can go to, as long as you have access permission as the administrator to see all of these folders, then you can go straight into the invoices. So what you would do is you'd create a share for the sales manager only to see invoices, which creates a tunnel through the security. The problem is with this is that if any of these change, here, here, or here, then this breaks the share and you'd have to recreate it. Hopefully this has made sense. Thanks very much.